In this short video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to download and install apps on your iPhone. Are you struggling to find your favorite apps on your iPhone? Let's explore how to easily install them from the Apple App Store. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate iPhone settings and optimize their device's functionality. Today, we'll focus on app installation. Stay with me until the end to discover how to download and install Google Play Store apps on your iPhone. Now, let's get started on installing apps on your iPhone. The first method is to install it from the App Store. To start, open the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Search for the desired app using the search bar. Then tap on Get or the Price to download the app. Confirm the installation by double-tapping the side button or using Face ID or Touch ID. The app will install onto your iPhone. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's continue with how to download apps and games on your iPhone or iPad. The second method involves installing your purchased iOS apps. This method is used when you want to install apps you had purchased on another iPhone or before a factory reset. To start, open the App Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Purchased. Find the app you want to install and tap on the cloud icon next to it to start the installation. Remember to ensure you are signed in with your Apple ID to download apps and be mindful of app sizes, especially when using cellular data. But what if the apps you want to install can't be found in the Apple Store? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the easy steps to download and install Google Play Store apps on your iPhone. Tap to watch it after this. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Click this card to explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.